Welcome to this comprehensive review of Affmy, the affiliate marketing platform that promises to simplify and streamline the affiliate marketing process. If you've been on the lookout for a tool that helps track your affiliate sales, manage campaigns, and connect with advertisers, then you've probably heard of Affmy. In this video, we'll dive deep into the website, showing you what it's like to use, and I'll share my honest opinion based on my experience. When you first visit Affmy's homepage, you're greeted with a clean, easy-to-navigate design. The website's layout is intuitive, and the sign-up process is simple. Once logged in, the dashboard gives you access to all the essential tools you'll need to start working with affiliate campaigns. The platform claims to help users optimize their affiliate strategies, and I'll tell you how well it delivers on that promise. The first feature worth noting is the affiliate tracking system. It provides clear data on your earnings, clicks, and conversions, which is essential for any affiliate marketer. The real-time analytics make it easy to track the performance of your campaigns. However, when I first started using it, I did find that some data updates were a bit slower than I would have liked. Despite that, it was still a useful tool overall. Next, let's talk about the campaign management tools. Affmy offers a variety of templates and options for setting up your affiliate campaigns, including customized URLs and unique links for tracking. You can also segment your audience, helping to tailor promotions and offers more effectively. From my experience, these tools are pretty robust, but I did notice that the user interface could be slightly more streamlined to make it easier to access these settings. The platform also integrates with several third-party services, making it a flexible option for marketers who already use tools like email marketing platforms or social media management apps. Setting up these integrations was fairly simple, and I didn't encounter any major issues. Now, many useful links can be found in the description of this video. Do check them out after watching the review. One thing I appreciated about Affmy is their customer support. They offer live chat, email support, and a knowledge base with detailed guides. Whenever I had questions or needed help, I received a prompt response. However, I did find the knowledge base to be a little sparse when it comes to advanced topics. Some users may need more in-depth guides, especially if they are new to affiliate marketing. In conclusion, Affmy is a solid affiliate marketing platform with some powerful features that can help both beginners and experienced marketers. It offers good tracking and campaign management tools, but there are a few areas, like data refresh speed and UI improvements, that could be enhanced. Overall, it's a great option if you're looking for a simple way to manage your affiliate marketing campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching.